Hello channel followers, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, I invite you to subscribe, like, share and comment to become a part of our community. Today, we are going to be learning about rational numbers. Enjoy. Definition of rational numbers. Rational numbers are a fundamental concept in mathematics representing any number that can be expressed as the ratio of two integers where the denominator is not zero. Formally, a rational number is any number of the form p over q, where p and q are integers, or whole numbers, positive numbers, or negative numbers, including 0 for the numerator, and q is different from 0. This includes fractions, whole numbers, integers, and terminating or repeating decimals. The set of all rational numbers is denoted by capital Q, derived from the word quotient. Rational numbers encompasses all integers like 5, -3 or 0 because they can be written as 5 over 1, -3 over 1 or 0 over 1. They also include proper fractions or where the absolute value of the numerator is less than the denominator. For example, 2 over 3, and improper fractions. For example, 5 over 2 is equals to 2.5. Decimals that terminate like 0.75 is equals to 3 over 4, or repeats like 0.333 is equals to 1 over 3 are rational numbers, but not terminating non-repeating decimals like 5 or square root of 2 are irrational numbers and not part of this set. Rational numbers are rational because they can be precisely represented as a ratio, making them countable and dense on the number line, meaning between any two rationals, there is always another rational. Properties of rational numbers. Rational numbers exhibit several key properties that make them versatile in arithmetic and algebra. The first property is closure. The sum, difference, product, or quotient, except division by zero, of two rational numbers is always rational. For example, 1 over 2 plus 3 over 4 is equals to 5 over 4, which is rational. Commutative and associative property. Addition and multiplication are commutative. A plus B is equals to B plus A, and associative A plus B in the bracket plus C is equals to A plus inside the bracket B plus C. Identity elements. 0 is the additive identity. A plus 0 is equals to A, and 1 is the multiplicative identity. A times 1 is equals to A. Inverse property. Every rational has an additive inverse. It's negative. For example, the inverse of 2 over 3 is negative 2 over 3. And every non-zero rational has a multiplicative inverse. It's reciprocal. For example, the inverse of 2 over 3 is 3 over 2. Distributivity. Multiplication distributes over addition. A times inside the bracket B plus C is equals to A times B plus A times C. Density. As mentioned, rationals are dense for any two distinct rationals A and B, with A is less than B. There is rational C, such that A is less than C, C is less than B. For instance, the average A plus B over 2 is always rational and lies between them. These properties ensures rational numbers form a field in abstract algebra, allowing for consistent operations. Representation and types. Rational numbers can be represented in multiple ways. Fractional form. The standard P over Q, often simplified to lowest terms by dividing numerator and denominator by their greatest common divisor or GCD. For example, 4 over 6 is equals to 2 over 3. Decimal form. Through division, fractions convert to decimals. Terminating decimals. For example, 1 over 4 is equals to 0.25. And after finite digits. While repeating once, for example, 1 over 6 is equals to 0.1666 have a repeating cycle. On the number line, rationals can be plotted precisely. To plot 3 over 4, divide the interval from 0 to 1 into 4 equal parts and mark the third point. Rational numbers include positive rationals greater than 0. For example, 1 over 2. Negative rationals less than 0. For example, negative 3 over 5. 0 or neutral. They fit within the broader real number system alongside irrationals. Operations on rational numbers. Performing operations on rationals involves common denominators for addition or subtraction and direct multiplication or division for products or quotients. Addition or subtraction. A over B plus C over D is equals to AD plus BC over BD. For example, 1 over 2 plus 1 over 3 is equals to 3 plus 2 over 6 is equals to 5 over 6. Multiplication A over B times C over D is equals to AC over BD. For example, 2 over 3 times 3 over 4 is equals to 6 over 12, which is equals to 1 over 2. Division A over B divided by C over D is equals to A over B times D over C is equals to AD over BC, assuming C is different from 0. For example, 1 over 2 divided by 1 over 4 is equals to 2. These operations preserve rationality. Comparison with irrational numbers. Unlike irrationals, rationals have finite and repeating decimal exponentials and can be exactly expressed as fractions. Irrationals like a square root of 2 is equals to 1.414213 continue infinitely without repeating. The union of rationals and irrational numbers forms the real numbers. Here are 5 best, clear and illustrative examples of rational numbers. These build on the core ideas of rational numbers as fractions, P over Q, where Q is different from 0, including integers, proper or improper fractions, terminating or repeating decimals, and real-life uses. Each examples include a visual to help make the concept more concrete. Example 1. Integers as rational numbers. Every integer is a rational number because it can be written as a fraction with denominator 1. For instance, the number 5 is equals to 5 over 1 and negative 8 is equals to negative 8 over 1. This shows that the set of integers is completely included in the set of rational numbers. On a number line, this appears at whole number positions. Example 2. Proper fractions or less than 1 sharing equally. A proper fractions like 3 over 8 represents 3 parts out of 8 equal parts. Imagine dividing a pizza into 8 equal parts or slices and eating 3 of them. You have eaten 3 over 8 of the pizza. This is a classical real-life way to understand fractions smaller than one whole. Example 3. Improper fractions and mixed numbers or greater than 1. An improper fraction like 7 over 4 means 7 parts out of 4 equal parts. That is more than 1 whole. 7 over 4 is equals to 13 over 4. 1 whole plus 3 remaining fourths. Picture 7 pizza slices where each pizza is cut into 4 pieces. You have 1 full pizza plus 3 extra slices. This example shows how rationals easily represent amounts larger than 1. Example 4. Repeating decimals as rational numbers. The repeating decimals 0.333 with 3 repeating forever is exactly equal to 1 over 3. Similarly, 0.1666 is equals to 1 over 6. Repeating decimals are always rational. They can be precisely expressed as a fraction. This is proven using simple algebra. Let x is equals to 0.333. Then 10x is equals to 3.333. Subtract to get 9x is equals to 3. So x is equals to 1 over 3. Example 5 or the last example. Rational numbers in everyday measurements or real life application. In cooking or baking, recipes frequently use rational numbers for precise amounts. For example, a recipe might call for 3 over 4 cup of milk and 1 over 2 cup of oil. These fractions ensure exact proportions and you can scale them. For example, double the recipe. 11 over 2 cups of milk is equals to 3 over 2 cups. Medicine dosages, fuel efficiency. For example, 35.5 miles per gallon is equals to 71 over 2. And financial calculations, for example, $12.75 is equals to 51 over $4, or rely on rational numbers for accuracy.